Hey everyone, and welcome back to Successzone. Who doesn't love listening to music, right? Yes, it's a hobby that everybody has. But how would you feel if we told you that you could also make money while listening to music? Pretty amazing, right? Well, that is possible. You just have to know the ways, and that's exactly what we're going to tell you. In today's video, we'll be telling you how to make $500 just by listening to music. Make sure you're staying till the very end and listening to all the methods we're going to discuss. Number 5. Make a PayPal account. When you earn money in cash, you have to have a real wallet to keep the money. Likewise, when you earn money online, there's a virtual or online wallet, and PayPal is considered the most secure one out there. You need to have a PayPal account. Register for one and you can start sending and receiving money online from other PayPal accounts. You can also associate your bank account to your PayPal one. That will be very useful for when you want to withdraw money and then add it to your bank account, after which you can then withdraw them from an ATM if you want them in cash. Search Google for PayPal and click on the PayPal website, www.paypal.com. Click on the sign up button if you're new and select personal account when asked to choose between a personal or a business account. Enter a valid email address and a strong password and keep that somewhere safe, accessible only to you. Hit the enter button and you're all set. You can also download the mobile app, which has all the features found on the website to earn on the go. Number 4. Go to RadioEarn. Can you earn just by listening to radio? Well, yes. As the name suggests, RadioEarn is created just for that. This site is amazing because it's available from all countries, so anyone can use it. They do their payments through PayPal too, so if you've already set yours up, then you're ready to go. When you first open up the website, you can view live statistics from all of the members, listeners, and payments made. That shows you just how popular and legit this website is. They have tens of thousands of members that are all part of their community, earning cash just by listening to music. Scrolling down, you can see a map of all the listeners around the world. So let's start. First, you'll need to register on RadioEarn. You can do this by going to the top of the page and clicking on sign up. It's easy to do, and you'll just need to enter in your email address and a strong password. After doing so, you'll have access to the dashboard. Once you open up the dashboard, you can see the 3 radio stations. You'll be able to select one of the 3 stations to listen to. On this website, you get paid for every 15 minutes of music you listen to. After you listen to the 15 minutes worth of music, you can collect points. These points will then be redeemable for PayPal credit, which means cash for you. So let's look at the new radio stations. There are many different genres to choose from. They have a top 100, news, dance, easy listening, and more. That means you can listen to music and jam out or just chill and do chores. The news option allows you to earn when you don't feel like listening to music. To the right of the genres, you can view the traffic and see how popular each station is. To start earning, click on one of these radio stations. As soon as you click on one of these radio stations, a new tab will open up. You can see a player in the top of the screen. Click on the play button to start listening. You will see a bar at the bottom that shows your progress. It will tell you how many more minutes you need to listen to before you get your next payments, as well as how many points you have scored. At the bottom of the page is a banner advertiser. This is how the website earns money, and they will take a portion of this income and give it to you when you listen to the music on the page. Another great thing is that you can play this music in iTunes. Click on Open the Stream with your player, and it will open automatically in your default player. Number 3. Go to Cash 4 Minutes. Move around with your phone and an interesting app called Cash 4 Minutes. Dial a number and they will pay you to sit and listen to a live radio broadcast. Think of it like you're getting paid to sit in and listen to music that they put on while you're on hold. Easy, right? They will pay you directly to your PayPal account. This website pays you for monthly unused phone limits. It will also allow you to make a test call to make sure you don't get charged. Then after that, you can call and set your phone down. So you really don't have to do much to earn through this website. It really can be that easy. So first, go to the Cash 4 Minutes website. Then you're going to want to sign up with them. You will set up a unique user profile and add all the numbers you will be dialing from. Then you will be able to access these numbers. With these numbers, you can choose one to call. The site recommends you do a short test call to make sure you avoid any charges made. Then after you call and listen, you can earn. That's about it. The payments on this site are speedy, and you can choose whether you want to earn weekly or monthly. They even offer different forms of payment such as bank transfer, Amazon vouchers, Bitcoin, or even sending funds to a charity of your choice. This website is unique. So use your phone, dial a number, and start listening to a radio broadcast. It really doesn't get much more easier than that. You don't even have to listen to it. You can just set your phone down and let it play while you go off and do something else. It's a great side hustle for a passive income, and it's something that you should check out. Number 2. Go to HitPredictor. Want to rate music, answer polls, or shop for prizes? Maybe you wouldn't choose answering polls, but whatever you chose, you can earn cash with HitPredictor, and we will be focusing on the rate music option. This is another great way to earn passive income just by having music playing in the background while you go off and do something else. This site is a little bit different from the rest because in addition to just listening to music, you'll also be rating artists. This can be fun if you love reviewing music. It will also allow you to redeem your points into Amazon gift cards as opposed to cash, but you can still benefit from that. You can order something and have it shipped to your home. To get started, go to the HitPredictor website, then sign up and create an account. It's that simple. Once you're done with that, go to the top of the page and find the big orange tab that says Rate Music. Click on that button, and once you do, it will open up a tab in a new window. It will tell you the name of the song and the name of the artist. Then after you've listened to it, you'll be brought to a page where you can rate the track. You can choose I love it, I like it, it's okay, I don't like it, or I hate it. Whatever you feel about the song you just listened to, choose accordingly, then enter a comment about the song. You can say anything you like about it. Then under that, you will see how many points you get for answering. Once you get points, you can then redeem them for Amazon gift cards. It's great. You can listen and then buy some gifts online. Number 1. Go to MusicXray. Listening to music and receiving it through email is a feature in MusicXray. Once you sign up, they'll send you music straight to your inbox. Click on the link to their site and then start getting paid. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the MusicXray website. There they will have a video, and this video is a step-by-step tutorial on how their website works. They'll explain everything that you need to know. Then go ahead and sign up for the service. This is free. Next, wait for the music to arrive in your inbox. You will click on the email you received and find a link to a website. You will then need to click on that website and find all the music that you need to listen to. Then, you'll get paid to listen to these songs, all while supporting new bands and music that you'll surely love. To use MusicXray, go ahead and go to Google and search MusicXray Get Paid to Listen. This will bring you to the page that says Fan Match. This is where you'll be led to in order to start earning. And then once you get to that page, scroll down to the bottom and click Sign Up for free. To sign up, they will require your email, username, and a strong password. You can also sign up with your SoundCloud, Google, Yahoo, or Facebook accounts. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.